Now, this is to those men who actually, working for 10 to 12 hours in a day. Those hardworking men I'm talking about. And also work extra on their weekends. And still they feel that they are unworthy, they are incapable. Why is that? Hi, I'm Preeti. I create content to build your inner resilience. The major reason behind this feeling is that most men I have observed that they are running in a race of achieving goal which probably has not set by them. These goals are set by someone else. They don't realize that they are actually, behind achieving certain things which probably they never thought, they never wanted. It is just because to fill someone else's expectations. And therefore, it creates a lot of anxiety and depression inside of them, even though even though they have achieved everything in their life. So what you must do, I understand that in our culture, in our society, men are to be considered as a provider. We expect them to provide. Therefore, I think a lot of pressure has already created. Many becomes victim of deep anxiety and depression because they feel that they are supposed to provide always, and if they are unable to provide as much as the others' expectation, they feel that they are unworthy and incapable. What I'm trying to tell you here is, all you men, all you hardworking men, that most of the time you don't realize what you want in life. Now let's say, for example, if I have to give you an example here, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके फ्रेंड ने कार खरीदी, या आपके किसी कलीग ने या फ्रेंड ने कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया. जैसे ही आपको कोई एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखती है, जो आपके फ्रेंड, कलीग, भाई या कोई भी जो कुछ कर रहा है अपनी लाइफ में, आप तुरंत ही अपना गोल सेट कर लेते हैं कि आपको भी ऐसा फील होने लगता है अंदर से कि आपको भी वो चीज़ करनी है. यू एग्री विथ मी हियर? Yes, I have seen many men. The reason why they are constantly in pressure inside of their mind, that they are supposed to hunt opportunities always, they are supposed to exceed to what they are doing. Yes, it is right, but at the same time, the only problem arises when you actually forget your goal. Depression and anxiety comes because you are not following your purpose of life. Now, how do you analyze that? How do you know? As I told you, as society expects you to be a provider, and I'm sure every man thinks of working till he is alive. So it's a long journey to go, correct? If it is such a long journey, don't you think that you should be doing something which gives you joy? Don't you think that it has to be something to do with your, desire? It has to be, because it's the lifelong process that you're going to work. So anything that you're doing which is not giving you joy, which is probably not your potential, you're doing some, to satisfy probably your wife's need, your father's need, your children's need, you are going to lose yourself. And whoever loses himself or herself doesn't feel worthy, doesn't feel capable of it. So I would want you all to take a pause, take a minute out of your busy schedule, and take a deep breath and understand deeply here that the race that you're running of achieving certain things, are you sure you want to achieve those? Why do you want it? First ask yourself, why do you want it? It is because your wife wants it, children wants it, your father wants it, or society wants it, or it is you that you want it? Who wants this? Answer yourself. Talk to yourself. Take a break from the pattern that you've been living from so many years. Take a break from your own schedule and find your purpose. Take a deep breath. Understand. Don't get into such comparisons, because that is not going to give you joy. I'm telling you. You might achieve. Your friend has probably started his own business. You also join him. You also start your own business. Getting inspired from others is definitely a good idea, but to actually follow what they're doing is really a bad idea, because that is definitely not going to take you anywhere. How about you sit and you talk to yourself, you talk with your wife, you talk with your father, and make them understand that this is something that you want to do for yourself, because it's a long journey, and only you will achieve your goal and purpose in life when you decide your own goal, when you understand your own expertise and your own potential. It can be any damn thing in the world. Everyone is born with some unique talent and some unique purpose along with it. So all you have to do is, rather running in the race of some common list that everyone is running for, how about you take a break and you understand that what exactly are you looking out from this beautiful life? What is your purpose? Challenge your own creativity. Understand about your own potential and own creativity that you're born with, and enhance those potentials, I will say. Enhance those qualities that you're born for. And then I think men's will overcome with this anxiety feeling or depression feeling, because then they will enjoy the work that they're doing. It doesn't matter how much money you build. Trust me, it doesn't matter how much money you make end of the day. What really matters is your inner peace. Money is important. We all know this. There's no point of talking about money. We all know that we require money to live. But please don't forget this. We require money to live. If we have money and we don't know how to live, we're losing the purpose. We're losing completely. So we need to understand here that we all are, actually trying to live ultimately. So follow your own dreams. Create or set your own goals according to your potential. Visualize what you want to do, which is going to give you ultimate joy, and not because that someone has done this, so I will also do this. Because even if you do this, you're not going to feel complete and worthy end of the day. So there's no point. You're going to lose all your confidence. You're going to lose all your energy end of the day. And what is required most for all of us to live a happy life is energy and vibes. If we have that, we all are going to excel in life. So focus on excelling your own abilities rather copying others, and that will keep you up for rest of your life. You will be highly motivated for rest of your life. Thank you so much. Bye bye.